Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how to download data on Instagram. Now you can use this feature to download any data that you have on Instagram with ease. Now, how do you do this? First, click on the top right corner to go into the hamburger menu. Then click on the first option, which is the accounts center. Then you can scroll down and select this option called your information and permissions. After this, you can click on export your information, and then you will get this option to download or export your data. Now under here you will see that I have already exported something before, but if you haven't exported anything, just click on export, create export, then you can click on export to device, and then you can select all of these options. Now keep in mind, keep the media quality to medium, and make sure you select the correct date range. You don't want to download something that you don't want, since if you select something like all time, it will take a little longer to download depending upon the maturity of your account. So for now, I'll select last week, click on save, and then you can go ahead and click on start export. After this is done, a request will be created and your data will get exported. Now, how does it look? Just click on download. Once the export process is done, click on download again, and then you can go ahead and put in the password, click on continue, and after this is done, it will give you a file to download. After the download is complete, you can open the file, and yeah, this is how it will look. You can extract all of these, give this folder a name, and yeah, you can see everything is here once you've downloaded your data. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how you can download data on Instagram. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.